Hi, in front of me is TCL for the NxtPaper, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down just a bit to access notifications. Following that, tap on Manage App Notifications and click on the blue switches next to your apps from which you want to block them. You can switch them back on by hitting the same now gray switches. You can also just tap on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!